Welcome back to another second stimulus check update and stimulus package update. Today is Friday, July 24th, and this is your Friday night facts edition of the stimulus update. So, in this video, I'm going to refrain or do my best from giving you my personal opinions or what I feel is going to happen. This is the facts edition, alright? So, if you like just the facts, you want the facts, you don't really care about my opinion, I get it. I probably wouldn't either. And if that's what you want, just pure facts, do me a favor and smash that like button so that I know the next stimulus check update video that I do don't give as many opinions of my own. So let's jump into it. First off, in regards to the second stimulus check, Steve Mnuchin has stated it will be $1,200. He also stated they will go back to the previous income limit that was used for the CARES Act. That's $75,000. What we do not know, what Steve Mnuchin, what Mitch McConnell, what nobody has stated, is will this also include $500 for dependents or $1,200 for dependents? We don't know that yet. Hopefully we'll find that out on Monday. We also don't know, will people that owe back child support get a second stimulus check? Or will they not get this one either, just like in the CARES Act, the first one? We also don't know, what is the age of a dependent? Is it 17 or older? Okay, or 17 or younger? Is that going to be their cutoff? We don't know that yet. So, hopefully we'll find that out soon. Now, one fact that I wanted, and this is not my opinion, this is a fact. Steve Mnuchin, a couple weeks ago, came out and stated that yes, the payroll tax cut was in the next stimulus package. However, it turned out it is not going to be in the next stimulus package. The other day, Steve Mnuchin stated, yes, we will receive a second stimulus check. It will be the same as last time. The same parameters as last time. So that's where we got this $1,200 stimulus check. But here's the fact. Steve Mnuchin is not the only one voting on this. He's not the only one in negotiations. So just because he says something, it could always change. Just keep that in mind as of right now. The truth is, the facts are, it will be $1,200. In regards to unemployment benefits, the facts are right now, again from Steve Mnuchin, Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin, that 70% of wage replacement is what the Republicans are considering. The unknown thing is, how long will that go for? Will it go until the end of the year? My guess is, we're just going to have to wait and see what happens on Monday. Now, currently, if you are self-employed and you received or you have some type of income loss, you can qualify for the enhanced unemployment assistance. So that means unemployed people can get $2,400 per month retroactively since the last day that they worked. Also, people that are self-employed and that have seen some type of income loss, a lower income, whatever it may be, you can still qualify, and this would also include retroactive pay, which means if you have been self-employed for a year and you got like half of your income, you could potentially qualify for some type of state unemployment benefit and that $600 per week unemployment boost. So, people that are self-employed have the ability to get an additional $2,400 per month in retroactive pay. So, if you have yet to file for unemployment, you were employed and you lost your job for whatever reason, whether it was pandemic related or not, file for unemployment. If you are self-employed, you are a contractor, okay? You're a 1099 worker, file for unemployment if you've seen any sudden drop in income because you could qualify. The facts about the stimulus package budget. Currently, Democrats have a bill that has been passed by the House. It is called the HEROES Act. That bill is $3.3 trillion. Currently, Republicans, specifically Mitch McConnell, the Senate Majority Leader, stated he wants this package to be at $1 trillion. Donald Trump stated he wants it to be at $2 trillion. Current estimates have this next stimulus package anywhere from $1.5 trillion to $1.7 trillion. So again, we don't know where it's going to end up. We don't know what will be in this next stimulus package, but those are the current estimates. Big news, huge news, and this will be devastating to a lot of people. Today, Friday, July 24th, the federal eviction moratorium ends. This is going to be devastating to a lot of individuals and many families. The U.S. Census Bureau finds that 1 in 3 renters are at the risk of not being able to afford next month's rent. Just because the federal eviction moratorium ends today does not mean people will be evicted tomorrow. They still have to go through the whole system, the whole process. So some of these people, some of these families could potentially have another maybe 30 days to a couple months in their current residence. One thing you need to understand is that right now, people all across the country are moving out of their apartments, moving out of their homes to find cheaper places to live. So that's going to be something that's be interesting to see what kind of develops there. If there is a huge shift from, because the current estimates have that there are multiple thousands of people, many thousands, leaving the state of California just because it's too costly. Let's talk about essential workers and the potential of hazard pay. Currently, there has been absolutely no talk of essential workers and having hazard pay. Chances are there will be no talks of this. In the current estimates for the stimulus package, $1.5 to $1.7 trillion, there is no money in that budget to give that $13 pay increase per hour for essential workers. Now, just this morning, California Governor Gavin Newsom stated he wants new protections for essential workers. In a recent poll, many workers stated they have gone to work even though they have not felt 100% healthy. That's a big problem. When asked why, most people simply stated they cannot afford to have a day off without pay. Newsom also mentioned in this interview, in this press conference, that there are issues with the California paid sick leave program, and he wants to fix this. So we'll see what happens there. In regards to the payroll tax cut that is now cut out of the next stimulus package, Donald Trump and the White House still want to fight to get it back in. That's what we've heard. In regards to Social Security is a little bit better off today, being that the payroll tax cut will not be in the next stimulus package, than Social Security was when it was still on the table and still being considered. If the United States ends up in a recession, there will be Social Security problems. So if you're on Social Security, you need to listen to this. If we do end up in a recession and there are mass layoffs, this could affect your Social Security benefits in the future. Right now, the Social Security Administration states that they will run out of money on sometime in 2034. That's 14 years away. If this happens, or when this happens, that means that the Social Security Administration will only be able to give you 76% of your current benefits. That is the current estimate, but we will see what happens. Another huge problem in regards to Social Security is if you have any retirement savings in the stock market. That is probably where many of you have it. But if the stock market turns, you could lose a bunch of your retirement savings. And this could potentially take years to turn back around. So if you rely on dividends and interest payments, you could potentially not have enough money if some reason the stock market all of a sudden takes a dive. So just keep that in mind. As I stated, today is Friday, July 24th. If you're watching this on the first day, thanks for being here. Now, Mitch McConnell yesterday stated that he will not have the next stimulus package. He will not unveil this until sometime this coming week, which many believe that will be Monday. Also, Mitch McConnell said Republicans went home for the weekend yesterday. So they did not spend any part of today, Friday, July 24th, trying to negotiate or come up with the next stimulus package. Also means they will not do that over the weekend either. So we just lost another 3 days of negotiations. If and when the next stimulus package gets passed, the truth is you might not see another stimulus check or any additional stimulus until the middle of August at the earliest. So if you are worried about money, let me give you some ways where you can actually make some money. And if you have questions on any of this, please ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you want to make some money and work from home, have a home-based business, here are 4 different things you can do. And I'm going to link to every single one of these videos down in the comment section as well. I'm going to show you how to earn $50 per post on Facebook. I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. If you have a Facebook account, personal or business, and you like messing around on Facebook, I'm going to show you how you can turn that into a legitimate online business. The second video I'm going to show you down in the description box below is how to make money from a free app. Again, I'm going to walk you through it step by step. If you like just being able to spend time on your phone, okay, you have a smartphone, I'm going to show you how you can turn that smartphone into a cash machine, how you can start making money today. Maybe you're looking for something different and you enjoy watching videos like these. Well, I'm going to show you how to get paid to watch videos. I will walk you through the process of getting paid $5 per video. So if you like watching videos very similar to this might be the best business opportunity for you. And the fourth video I'm going to link to down in the description box below, which I feel is an incredible online business, is how to sell clothing on eBay and make a full-time income. This is exactly what I've been doing for the past however many years. And I make a full-time income selling clothing. I make a full-time income selling electronics. I make a full-time income selling sporting goods. Full-time income selling toys, a full-time income selling tools. I make a full-time income selling every single one of those individual categories alone. When you add it all up, I make more in 1 month than many people make in an entire year. So, I don't say that to brag. I say this because I want to show you what is possible. I want to show you what somebody like me could do. So, if you have a little bit of money to invest, selling items on eBay is an incredible opportunity. If you have little to no money to invest, starting a free online business, doing the first 3 methods is an incredible way to make some income. So there you guys go. That is the Friday night facts edition of the stimulus check update and stimulus package update video. If you have any questions on any of it whatsoever, please ask your questions down in the comment section below. Like I said early in this video, if you enjoy just the facts, you want me to keep my personal opinions and feelings out of the videos, do me a favor and smash that like button. That just tells me give more facts, give less opinions and less feelings. And thank you for doing that. So if you haven't done so already, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you guys on the next one.